Sissy. Here's Sissy. Right here. Right here.
Back it up, Eden, so he'll go. Back it up so he'll go further. Not that far. Can you get it?
Back it up.
There you go. That's good.
Can you go over
Eden, I can't see for your booty.
Can you go over
I missed him crawling. Go get it. Nope.
Can you do it? Yeah, buddy.
Please let me get him. Eden. I'd really like to get him on his first day crawling. We did it. We did it. We did it. Great job, Lou.